Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. It's March and it's still cold here. I don't understand why. It should be spring. But I love comfort food and I've had a bit of a cold. So I decided to make up this as a chicken congee. Simply delicious, the ultimate comfort food. Made with a combination of spices, rice. You're going to love it, so let me walk you through it. Okay, first up, what I've got here is a cup of long grain rice that I've rinsed 2 or 3 times. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this to a pot. And of course, you can use the rice of your choice. Followed by 6 cups of water. Half a tablespoon of salt. And this, kind of depends on your taste. And, my favorite spice, some ground black pepper. And I'm going to add quite a bit because I just love ground black pepper. Also a tablespoon of minced ginger. Give it a stir until everything is well combined. This even smells good right now. Lay 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts over the top. Now I use boneless, skinless, but you can use any part you like. Throw a cover on, and we're going to put this on the stove and bring it to a boil. After a boil, we're going to lower the heat and allow it to simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. And what I'm going to do here is crack a little bit so it doesn't boil over. After about 20 minutes, I'm just going to remove the lid. And look at that, the rice is nice and thick. Take the chicken out. Grab a couple of forks and shred the chicken up. You can cube this too if you like. It's entirely up to you. I just like shredding. Mix my shredded chicken back in. This smells so good, guys. Turn off the heat and you're good to go. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. This looks and smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and garnish this up with a hard-boiled egg that I've kind of sliced up here. Some green onions. A few drops of sesame oil. And some soy sauce, just for that additional taste. And there you have it, guys, our simple and easy chicken congee, the ultimate comfort food. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Got to get the egg in there too. Guys, this is so good. The spices, the rice. I tell you, you're not going to find anything in a can that even comes close to this. This is homemade, perfect, and made simply and fast. You're going to love it. And you know who else wants some is Little Cokes. Coco's saying hi, everybody. Have a great day, guys.